Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this rather special 2020 Ford Focus ST Line X. This car has over £5,000 worth of factory options which we've never seen before, and I'll go through those later on. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 56 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18, and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic desert blue and looks in great condition and fair mileage of the car. So as I mentioned, the car's has over £5,000 worth of factory options. These include the blind spot system, the driver's assistance pack, the convenience pack, heated steering wheel, LED headlights, and the full-length glass roof, which would be really nice in the summer. But as you can see, the seats in this car are in really great condition. Being the ST Line X, you've got the sports seats, which are really comfy and supportive, and the outer edge are leather. Other features I can mention: the car also has Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio, and Bluetooth. The front seats are also heated, and the car has active cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which was another factory upgrade, folding door mirrors, and the full window controls are on the driver's door card. Rear passengers have a good amount of legroom in the back there. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's nice to see the car's also got the original red stitched carpet floor mats as well, which matches the seats and the steering wheel in the car. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, which goes back a fair way. With the rear seats, it can be folded flat, and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've got your tyre inflator kit will be stored there, as well as your subwoofer. Again, that's part of the upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system. Externally, so the car comes with the LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.